Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to show you how to assign and create a mobile image for Dawn Theme. So Dawn Theme out of the box does not have, in their section, does not have a mobile option. And what that means is, for example, if I just go into, let's see, Dawn here, and I go into customize, this image banner, this section right here should have the option for a mobile image. So way like 4 years ago, 5 years ago, we did have this option, but now that Dawn has updated their code so many times, we have adjusted it so it works for Dawn 14 and hopefully future versions, as long as Dawn doesn't alter this code too much for the image banner. Again, this is going to be applied for the image banner itself. You're going to be given an RTF file, just copy and paste that. There are instructions for it. It's pretty simple. So right now what it looks like is you have your first image here, and then a second image, which I think is kind of very strange. So you have your second image here, and then this, and then that's about it. So when you go into mobile, you have this image, and it just kind of looks a bit wonky. So what we're going to do is we're going to not have the second image, and we're just going to have a option for a mobile image itself. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into the code editor, and we're going to again give you the RTF file for it, and what it'll look like is this, and you're just going to go and follow the instructions here. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into my file that I'm going to be editing, and it's going to be the section, and it's going to be an image banner. So the only section I'm going to touch is this. So what I want to do is the instructions go around line 117, and at the end of that paste this code here. So around line 117. Now again, take in consideration this might not, it might be around 117 or a little higher or a little lower depending on if you have had other custom code in here. So around 117, we're going to go into here. I haven't had any code adjustments, so I'm just going to go do a couple spacing here so I can kind of see my new added code. And I'm going to go in and add the entire string here from the new customer and then to the very end of it. So what that will look like is way down. Go, and I'm going to paste that in, and then that's great. And then the other thing is, right down in the RTF file, we give you instructions, then add the settings for it. And it's going to be after the image 2 ID. So then I'm going to go in, add this, and then after that, it should be all set. So what it's saying is after the ID, so you have type ID and label. So the type is going to be the image picker, what type it is, and then the ID is image 2. So I want it after the image 2. I'm going to place it right after comma here and paste, and just make sure that there's a comma after it as well. So it should actually look like this. I'm going to click save. I'm going to go back to my theme editor, and again, first image, it has this, and it's taking the same image here. So what I'm going to do is refresh this. Hopefully this does reflect a little bit more, and now you'll see that there is a first image, then there's a second image just like before, and then going down here there's a mobile first banner and a mobile second. So let's say right now I have this, and then I want a different image, so I'm going to do this coffee image, and now you'll see that the mobile image overrode the first desktop image. So when I click save, you'll see the first image here, and then go into mobile, you'll see the second image. And also, in addition to that, we did give you the option to have it side by side as well with the mobile option. So here we kept this the same as here, just in case you want it, but a lot of people, they don't like that option, so we did give you that. But here is again the desktop version, and then here is the mobile version, and it's just a little bit of code. That's all you need to do. And